Hey friends, if you wish to open the Windows Service Manager on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. So the Service Manager is called services now. Earlier it was called the Service Manager, and it comes with the app name services. To open it from the run window, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command services.msc and hit enter. This will open the Service Manager window. Lastly, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open the command prompt window. Type the command services.msc and hit enter. This will open the Service Manager window. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.